Hello students, up till now we have discussed this fourth case when the premium for goodwill is brought in kind via the new partner. So this is case 5 when incoming partner brings a part of his share of goodwill in cash. It means he is not bringing full share of premium in cash, he is bringing partial premium. Partial premium means suppose his premium money is 10,000, so out of 10,000 he is bringing only 80%. 80% means 8,000, or he is bringing 50%. So he is unable to bring full amount of premium right now. So what happened in that case? In that case we take the deficiency either from his capital account or from his current account. See this accounting standard 26. Let us have a look at it again. If the incoming partner bring premium for goodwill in cash besides his or her capital contribution, such premium should be distributed among the existing partners in the ratio of their sacrifice. But if premium is not brought in cash by the incoming partner at the time of admission, it should be adjusted through partner's capital account. So we are taking the deficiency from partner's capital account. But in the later stage of this chapter, you will find that new partner's capital is treated as base for calculating total capital of the firm. So if you are adjusting the deficiency from his capital account, his capital account will reduce by that particular amount. So we don't want to reduce his capital. So we open a temporary account which is known as current account of that partner. So let us start the proceedings. So let us see the steps involved in this. So step 1 will be same as usual. If there is some existing goodwill or if there is some old goodwill in the books, old goodwill appearing in the books, it has to be written off first. And you know how to write off. It will be written off among old partners in the old ratio. And what is the journal entry? Journal entry will be old partners capital account debit to goodwill account. Now see step 2. Now step 2, he is bringing cash for capital as well as for partial premium. So this second entry will be contribution of new partner towards capital and towards partial premium, because he is not bringing full premium. So what is to be done here? Whatever cash we are getting, or if he is paying through bank, so whatever cash or bank amount we are getting through capital and premium will be recording that. So it will be cash account debit, or it can be bank account also, but I am taking cash account debit to new partners capital account, and then to premium for goodwill. Premium for goodwill account, and here will be recording only the partial premium money. Partial premium in cash. So whatever he is bringing towards premium, that will be recorded here, not which he is unable to bring. Whatever he is bringing as a premium will be recorded here, and this is the capital, and here will be writing his capital plus partial premium. So cash account debit to new partners capital to premium for goodwill. This is our second entry. Now step 3. Step 3 is always journal entry for distribution of premium money. So you will be distributing premium money, but as you know, he is not bringing full premium, so we don't want to give loss to old and sacrificing premium. So see how this is to be dealt. In the first part, I am dividing this entry into two parts. In the first part, whatever premium he is bringing, premium for goodwill account debit, whatever premium he is bringing, will give this premium to old and sacrificing partners. Sacrificing partners capital account. And with which amount? With the partial premium in cash. Partial premium money in cash. So whatever he is bringing as a partial premium in cash, we'll be recording that, and this is to be distributed in the sacrificing ratio. And the deficiency will be taken from his current account. So second entry will be for the deficiency which he is not bringing. So in this case, we'll be creating a new temporary account known as new partners current account, and we'll be showing this account in the balance sheet of the firm. Where balance sheet, which side of the balance sheet? Because this is debited, so it will be shown on the asset side of the balance sheet because of debit balance. And whenever he'll bring that money, what will be the journal entry? Any guesses? When he in future, suppose after 1 year or after 2 years, he is able to bring this money, then what will be the journal entry? The journal entry will be cash account debit to new partners current account. We'll remove this current account. So to old and sacrificing partners capital account, and this with that part of premium which he is now unable to bring this money, and again this is to be distributed in the sacrificing ratio. Now instead of passing two entries, you can club these two entries, and you know how to club these two entries. If you club these entries, then premium for goodwill account debit, new partners current account debit to old and sacrificing partners capital account. So we can make a single entry out of it, and that entry will be premium for goodwill account debit, new partners current account debit to old, and if you are not writing old, this will suffice the purpose, because ultimately sacrificing partners are the old partners only, but I am writing for specification sacrificing partners capital account in the sacrificing ratio. And here this will be debited by the cash brought for premium. And this is that part of premium which he is unable to bring. So this is the journal entry when new partner is unable to bring his partial premium in cash. So let us do one numerical of NCERT's book. We will be doing question number 22 of NCERT's book. So let us read this question first. Question number 22. Yes, Aditya and Balan are partners sharing profits. Hope you will be able to see on your screen. Aditya and Balan are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. They admit Christopher for 1/4 share in the profits. The new profit sharing ratio agreed was 2:1:1. So old ratio is given to you as 3:2 and new ratio is 2:1:1. Christopher brought 50,000 for his capital and his share of goodwill was agreed at 15,000. But Christopher could bring only 10,000 out of his share of goodwill. And you are required to record necessary journal entries in the books of the firm. So in this case, Christopher was supposed to bring how much? 15,000. But how much he is bringing? He is bringing only 10,000. So there is a deficiency of 5,000 which will be recovering from his current account. So first step would be to calculate gaining or sacrificing share. So I am calculating gaining or sacrificing share first. So this is my question number 22 of NCERT's book. Page number is 170. So first of all, let us calculate sacrificing ratio. Aditya and Balan, partners with the ratio of old sharing ratio of 3:2. This is their old ratio. And what is the new ratio? New ratio is 2:1:1. So total is 4 and here the total is 5. So let us multiply this by 4 and this by 5. So your ratio will be 4 3s are 12. 12:8. So this is 4 Aditya, Balan, and this is for Christopher. And this ratio will become 10:5:5. So this is 20 and this is also 20. But if you deduct, this will be 2:3 or 2/20 and 3/20. You can check also. How to check? The total of this has to be equal to new partner share. Yes, it is coming new partner share. So let us start the numerical. It means their sacrificing ratio is 2:3. So let us see if there is some old goodwill. No, nothing is mentioned regarding old goodwill. So directly we can start with the cash entries. So your first entry will be cash account debit to Christopher's capital account. And how much capital he is bringing? He is bringing 50,000 as capital. And to premium for goodwill, premium for goodwill is he was supposed to bring 15,000 but he is bringing only 10,000. So instead of 15 he is bringing how much? 10,000. So we'll be writing 10,000 here in front of this premium for goodwill, and total amount brought in by Christopher is 60,000. So you can write down the narration also. Being capital and partial premium is brought in by cash by new partner Christopher. This is our first entry. Now second entry is for distribution, and you know that this amount premium will be distributed in the ratio of 2:3. And this deficiency, what is the deficiency? Deficiency amount is 5,000. So this will be taking from his current account. Deficiency will be taken from new partner's current account. So in the second entry will be premium for goodwill account debit Then I am doing this entry in two parts. Then I will be clubbing to Aditya's capital and to Balan's capital. He is bringing only 10,000, so here will be able to divide only 10,000. In which ratio? It is to be distributed in the ratio of 2:3. So if you divide, this will be 2/5 into 10. So this will be 4,000 for Aditya. How you arrive at 4,000? 2/5 into 10,000. So this will be 2,000 and 4,000 to Aditya and 6,000 to Balan. Being premium money is distributed between old and sacrificing partners in the sacrificing ratio, which is 2:3. So you need to mention here, being premium money is distributed between old and sacrificing partners, and you can mention here partial premium. Being partial premium money is distributed between old and sacrificing partner in the sacrificing ratio, which is 2:3. You can write refer working note 1. This is my working note 1. So you can connect this with the working note. Now second journal entry, second part of this distribution entry will be with the deficiency. So deficiency is with the 5,000. So we'll be taking this from Christopher's current account. His current account will be debited. We can take this from capital account also, but it will be better if you remember only one treatment, because this is also perfect. To old and sacrificing partner, both partners are sacrificing, and to balance capital account, and this will be 5,000. We'll distribute 5,000 in this ratio, so it will be 2,000 and 3,000. And now we'll be passing a combined entry for this. So can you pass combined entry for this? Combined entry will be premium for goodwill, this plus this, premium for goodwill account debit, Christopher's, I hope you will be able to see this, Christopher's current account debit to Aditya's capital account and to Balan's capital account. And how much amount? Here he is bringing 10,000, unable to bring 5,000, so 5,000 we are taking from his current account, and total is 15,000. So now we'll be dividing 15,000 in the ratio of 2:3. Excuse me. So this is 2/5. 2/5 means this will be 6,000 for Aditya and 9,000 for Balan. So I hope the treatment when incoming partner is bringing only partial premium is clear to you. So now let us do the next case. Next case is case number 6, when new partner does not bring premium. So what will happen is, if he is not at all bringing any premium, then the full amount will be taken from his current account. So in this case we'll be taking full amount from his current account. So let us do that. This is my case 6, when incoming partner is unable to bring premium money. In the previous case he was bringing partial money, but what is happening in this case? He is unable to bring even he is not bringing anything towards premium. He is bringing capital, but he is unable to bring anything towards premium money. So see what is to be done in that case. In that case, the treatment will remain same. First step will be same. What is first step which we are doing? To write off existing goodwill. This will remain as it is. So this is to be done. Old partners, old ratio. We are writing off existing goodwill. So whether he is bringing premium or not bringing, this is not going to affect our treatment of existing goodwill. And now step 2, we will be passing journal entry for bringing capital in cash or through check. And if suppose nothing is given about his capital, so we can also skip this entry. Then he is not bringing premium, so there will be no premium in this case. And third entry will be journal entry for distribution of new partners' share of goodwill, which will be taking from his current account. So I will be telling you this entry. This entry will be new partners current account debit. We'll be debiting new partners current account and we'll be giving credit to old and sacrificing partners capital account. And here also this will be sacrificing ratio, and here full share of goodwill. Whose share of goodwill? It will be new partner's share of goodwill. And if suppose in this case if any of the old partner is gaining, then the treatment will remain same. In that case he will be debited. Old and gaining partners capital account debit. So let us do a numerical from NCERT which is based on this particular problem. So let us form a journal entry. Yes. So now let us do question number 23 of NCERT. Let us read it first. Amar, I hope you will be able to see this. Question number 23. Amar and Samar were partners in a firm sharing profits in the profit and losses in the ratio of 3:1. They admit Kanwar for 1/4 share in the profits. Kanwar could not bring his share of goodwill premium in cash. So he is unable to bring full amount of goodwill in cash. The goodwill of the firm was valued at 80,000. So firm's goodwill is valued at 80,000. So this will help us in calculating Kanwar's share. On Kanwar's admission, record necessary journal entry for goodwill on Kanwar's admission. See what is happening in this case. New partner's capital is not given to you, and moreover he is not bringing his share of premium. So you can, and no old goodwill is also not given to us. So in this case we will directly move to the next entry. So this is question number 23 NCERT's question 170 page number 170. So particulars LF, debit amount and credit amount. So first entry will not be done because there is no old goodwill exist in the books, and second entry, first entry cannot be done. Second entry because he is not, no information relating to capital brought in by the new partner is given to us. So there will be no journal entry relating to capital brought in cash because he is not bringing premium. So we can easily skip this second entry also. You don't have to give anything in this regard. So let us move to the third entry. Third entry is for distribution of premium. So in this case, three partners, Amar, Samar and Kanwar, and Kanwar's share is 1/4 and total valued goodwill is given to you as 80,000. So let us calculate Kanwar's share of goodwill, which is 80,000 multiplied by 1/4. So this will give you 20,000. And moreover, single share. See what is their profit sharing ratio? Amar and Samar, their profit sharing ratio is 3:1. And Kanwar is joining for 1/4 share. So I told you, whenever single share of partner is given, this old ratio will be same as their sacrificing ratio. This will play double role. This ratio will play double role. This is old ratio as well as sacrificing ratio if no information about their sacrifice, individual sacrifice or any other condition is given to you. So we assume that they are also sacrificing in this same ratio. And you can do on your own by calculating first new profit sharing ratio, then deduct this new profit sharing ratio from the old ratio. You should get 3:1 as sacrificing ratio. So what is your journal entry now? Kanwar's capital account or current account? No, it will be current account. Current account debit to Amar's capital account and to Samar's. This is Samar's capital account. How much? This is 20,000 and we'll be dividing 20,000 in the ratio of 3:1. So 20,000 into 3/4 will be 15,000 for Amar and 5,000 for Samar. So I think this is clear to you how to calculate, how to treat when new coming partner is unable to bring his share of goodwill in cash. So whole amount will be taken from his current account, and you need to keep this in mind that we'll be showing this current account on the asset side of the balance sheet because of its debit balance. And then you can write down the narration being share of new partners goodwill. New partners goodwill is given to old and sacrificing partners in their sacrificing ratio. You have to mention this sacrificing ratio, though old ratio and sacrificing ratio both are same, but don't forget to mention this sacrificing ratio, which is how much? 3:1. So I hope this question number 23 is clear to you. Now let us move to the next numerical. And next numerical is also from NCERT. So I am trying to cover all the numericals of NCERT one by one, which I think you won't be able to do. So this is question number 25. Rajesh and Mukesh are equal partners in a firm. They admit Hari into the partnership, and the new profit sharing ratio between Rajesh, Mukesh and Hari is 4:3:2. On Hari's admission, goodwill of the firm is valued at 36,000. I hope you will be able to see this. Hari is unable to bring his share of goodwill premium in cash. Rajesh, Mukesh and Hari decided not to show goodwill in their balance sheet. Record necessary journal entries for the treatment of goodwill on Hari's admission. So what will happen here? Here also this is same as question number 23. Goodwill of the firm is given to you, but new thing is the old ratio is given as well as new ratio is given. So whenever old and new ratio is given to you, your first step should be to calculate sacrificing or gaining ratio. So let us do that. This is question number 25 of NCERT's book. Page number is 170. So first of all, we will be calculating their sacrificing or gaining ratio, Rajesh and Mukesh. Rajesh versus Mukesh. Old ratio is equal partners. Equal partners means equal. This is their old ratio, and new ratio, which is given to us as 4:3:2. So you can do this by any method. So let us do this by traditional method. Rajesh's sacrificing share will be equal to old minus new. So what is old minus new? Old minus new is this is 1/2 minus 4/9. LCM will be 18. So this will be 9 minus 4, 5/18. And let us calculate the same ratio for sorry 9 minus 8. 9 minus 8 will be 1/18. So let us calculate for Mukesh also. Same formula, 1/2 minus, this is Mukesh share, this is 3/9, LCM will be 18. So it will be 9 minus 6, 3/18. So this is 1 and this is 3. So sacrifice, you can combine two sacrificing ratio with the same denominators. So sacrificing ratio of Rajesh and Mukesh will be 1:3. So now let us pass journal entry, but before that we must know what is new partner's share of goodwill. New partner is Hari. So I am doing working note here also. Goodwill of the firm is valued at this is valued at rupees 36,000, and Hari's share, this is Hari's share. Hari's share is 2/9 multiplied by 2/9. So this will be 8,000. So 8,000. So we'll be taking this 8,000 because he is unable to bring premium for cash and his capital is also not given to us. So this will be taking from Hari's current account. So let us debit Hari's current account. Hari's current account debit. You can write particulars, LF, debit and credit amount to old and sacrificing partner Rajesh's capital account and to Mukesh capital account, and the amounts will be 8,000 here, and you will be dividing this 8,000 in the ratio of 1:3. So 1/4 multiplied by 8 for Rajesh. So this will be 2000, and 3/4 multiplied by 8000 for Mukesh. So this will be 6000. Being the share of goodwill of Hari is distributed between all partners in the sacrificing ratio, which is 1:3. Refer working note 1. So you can mention here, and don't forget to mention sacrificing ratio, which is 1:3, and in the bracket you can mention refer working note 1. So this is how we treat when incoming partner is unable to bring his premium money, or he is bringing only partial money. The main conclusion is that whether he is bringing partial money or he is unable to bring full money, the amount will be taken from his current accounts. Thank you. That's all for today. Have a nice day.